Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar index, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move down, which is definitely a five-wave impulsive move. So, we have two options now. Either we're going to make a corrective move to the last move down, so like an A, B, C, maybe up to like the 61% area, and then we're going to end up continuing the higher time frame downtrend because the higher time frame downtrend is definitely still down. Or option number two is we potentially are just going to go something like this, go up and give us a break of structure, which if it does decide to go up and break this structure, that would change my daily time frame from being down to being up, which would definitely cause me to be bearish on the dollar pairs. So we don't really know exactly what's going to happen. I mean, the daily time frame is definitely sitting at the Fibonacci level, the 50% Fibonacci level. So there definitely is a chance that we do get a pretty decent little bounce right here. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci levels. If it makes an ABC and pulses down, then definitely get out of any longs on the dollar and go short. If it makes a 1, 2, 3, goes up and breaks structure, then that's what's going to turn me bullish on the dollar, probably for at least several weeks or so. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.